Hello! In front of me I've got NOKIA G10. Today I'll show you how to change home and work location in Google Maps. Let's open Google Maps, tap button in the right corner and go to Settings. Select Edit Home or Work and let me remove current addresses. Tap on Home, enter home address or choose point on map. For example here, and do the same thing with work. For example here. Now you can go back to map and you can navigate from home to work. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.